In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving equations with fractions or algebraic fractions using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you guys that you will basically be able to solve problems involving algebraic fractions using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for a multiple choice question. So ensure you stay with me till the very end of this video. Alright, so if you check carefully, you will notice that we have two questions to experiment with or to practice with in this video, of which after solving them with you in this video, you will be able to replicate the same solution or process to solve similar problems you encounter. So let's get a calculator now and get started. So this is the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now guys, the very first thing you have to do will be to reset the calculator. Very important to put it in default mode. So to reset, all you have to do is to press second button, then press this plus button. You see 7 for reset, press 7. Then 1 to clear all RAM, press 1 for it. Alright, then press 2 to reset. Alright, and it's done. Press this clear button. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do will be to bring out the equation solver on this calculator, and to do that just press this mouse button. So once you do it, you go down to the last option in this drop down list. Okay, so when you get here, you see solver, you press enter for it. Alright, so it will bring you to this very page, equation solver. So guys, the E1 is for the values at the left side of the equation, whereas the E2 is for the values at the right side of the equation. So at the left here we have 2y. Now pay attention here, we are going to be replacing the y variable or the y alphabet with x alphabet, because x is what the calculator recognizes easily. Alright, so it's as simple as that. Just replace y with x. Where you see y, you replace it with x. So we have 2x instead of 2y. Alright, over, then at the right side we have 5y plus 1 over 7 is in fractions. So to bring out fraction, press alpha, this button, 1 for fraction. So we have 5x instead of 5y. Alright, plus 1. Okay, over 7. Then come to this side, they have plus, also in fractions, 3y. So we have alpha this for fraction. Okay, we have 3x minus 5. Alright, over 2. So that's what we have here guys. Let's press this graph button now for OK. So we are good with this equation we have entered. So press graph button. So once you do it, it will bring you to this very page. Alright, here the x value is assigned 0 already. So guys, don't change anything, leave it as it is appearing here. Alright, so simply solve this. So to solve this on the calculator, all you have to do next now will be to press, if you check, we are given instruction, so we are asked to press alpha solve. So you press alpha and the solve button. The solve button is under this enter button. Alright, so it's written in green color. So alpha and this enter button for solve. Okay, so you see the output x is what, 11. So it's as simple as that. That's the solution to this question 1, 11. The y value which is being replaced with x, the output is what, 11. So it's as simple as that guys. So let's solve question 2, and after it we will call it a class. Alright, so let's clear this guys, or better let's reset the calculator to be at the safe side. So to reset, press second button, this plus button, then press 7, press 1 to reset all 1, then press 2, and it will begin to reset So done. Press this clear button. Now for question 2. Guys, before you solve this question 2, if you are new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I'm learning from this video. I really appreciate this, guys, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more people out there to notice. Alright, so having done that, guys, let's solve question 2. So we have a minus 4 over 5 at the left side of the equation. So let's get to equation solver. So I go to the very last option, enter. Okay, so on the left side of the equation I have in fraction. After this, press 1. So I have a minus 4. We are going to replace the a value with x as usual. So x minus 4, okay, over 5. So that's what we have there. Yeah, then equals on the right side you have 2, right, minus a fraction after this option 1, okay, a over 2, that's x over 2. Yeah, that's it. So press this graph button for okay. Alright, so x is assigned 0. Leave it like this, guys. Don't press any other thing, just press solve. So to solve it, you press alpha and this button. So you see our x is 4. The x is substituting a here. Alright, so the a value is 4, which is being replaced with x here. It's as simple as that, guys. So this is basically how you can solve problems involving algebraic fractions or equations with fractions using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's close the video here, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button now once more to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've taught in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. That's it for this class, guys. Thanks for watching. Now click on the end screen above and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to reset once you are done. To reset, just press the second button, then the plus button, press 7, press 1 for R1, then press 2. Alright, so it will reset. Alright, so that's it.